Hi everyone and welcome. In today's follow along kicking routine, we are going to practice few beginner friendly Taekwondo kicks, which will consist of front kicks, side kicks, roundhouse kicks, slide kicks and crescent kicks. You are going to practice all of these kicks in one set, which will consist of 10 kicks from each leg. डियर व्यूवर्स, आज के इस किकिंग रूटीन में हम बेसिक टाइक्वांडो किक्स को प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, जो होंगी फ्रंट किक, साइड किक, स्लाइड किक, राउंड हाउस किक और क्रेसेंट किक्स। इस किकिंग रूटीन में आप इन बताई हुई किक्स को 20 बार परफॉर्म करेंगे। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज रूटीन।
my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la 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 la. I'm up again, I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la 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 la. La 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 la.
So I hope that you enjoyed today's kicking routine. Please note that this was for the beginners who are just getting started with their Taekwondo journey. Feel free to add modifications with this kicking routine, that is, you can practice these with target builds, you can increase your speed, you can work more on the kicking combos, etc. I would really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Till then, keep training, keep working hard, and keep smiling.